Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the progress of the Finch West LRT in northwest Toronto. We checked out the progress back in June, but since then, construction has progressed rapidly. Starting at Humber College station, a couple minutes walk from Humber College, the station building has risen from the ground. Part of the station structure was visible in the summer, but now it's much clearer, with the elevator shaft more complete and the entrance building structure mostly finished. A new road is also being built from the existing bus terminal to Highway 27. This will make pedestrian connections easier, and hopefully a couple buses will be able to service the new station as well. Looking north from Humber College Boulevard, we can see that the below-grade section should be ready for track installation very soon. At Highway 27 in Finch, we can see that tracks have been installed in the tunnel portal, and that the last couple catenary poles for the overhead wires should be going up soon. At Westmore Station, rail has been installed through the intersection and the road is being repaved. The eastern platform has also been built, but there's no sign of the westbound platform. The westbound platform will likely start being built once the road is fully repaved. From Westmore to Martin Grove, catenary poles and tracks are almost all installed, including through intersections. At Martin Grove, the concrete track slabs are almost finished being poured, but work to install tracks through the intersection has not started yet. The track slabs are a couple meters apart, meaning this will likely be an island platform station. Between Martin Grove and Albion, the level of work varies, but some sections do have track slabs in their early stages. At Albion, work to dig up the road for the future track slabs seems to be finishing up. At Stevenson Station, a pedestrian bridge has been built above the light rail right-of-way. It's nice to see a good pedestrian connection during construction, but this also gives some interesting views of the guideway and what will soon be a new station. From Mount Olive Station to Roundtree Mills at Islington, work on the guideway is at different phases, but the section has continued to progress with track now installed or almost ready to be installed for at least half of this stretch. The majority of this stretch should have concrete track slabs finished in a couple of weeks. The stretch between Islington and Arrow Road is likely the least progressed section of the project, with utility work taking place in a couple spots, but with the speed that this project has been built at, track will likely be installed by the summer. Work in this section seems to be being sped up, with multiple intersections closed at once for track installation. At Arrow Road, tracks will likely be installed soon, as the final concrete pours seem to have taken place very recently. Track and catenary poles have been installed along Finch near Highway 400. While not visible from the sidewalk, the new multi-use tunnel being built underneath is getting close to being finished, with the concrete pours now complete. The westbound platform at Norfinch Oakdale station is partially built, but the eastbound platform is only a hole in the road, which should be filled in with concrete soon. Just west of Norfinch Drive, the road has been repaved, and the raised bike lane being built along Finch has started to be built. Aside from a short section between Norfinch Drive and Yorkgate Boulevard, track has been fully installed from Arrow Road to a little short of Finch West Station. The maintenance and storage facility has been largely complete for quite some time now, but it's seen an increase of light rail vehicles as deliveries continue. Vehicle testing has also continued into the winter along the testing track from Jane to Sentinel. Some seating has been added outside of the facility, which is a great addition as it will be great for locals and transit fans. Not much progress has been made at Jane, although cabinets have been installed on the platforms to provide power to the station. Driftwood Station was the first station to have shelters installed. Luckily, the majority of the platform is covered by shelters, unlike the stations on Line 5. I personally prefer this design to the ones on Islington, but I think the all-black design doesn't signify transit very well. These shelters display the terminal station where the train is heading, and also how to exit. I think a map would be helpful, but that might be added later. At Tobermory, similar shelters have also been installed. Benches and glass panels waiting to be installed can be seen on the station platforms. From Driftwood to Sentinel, the raised bike lanes have been built and a new sidewalk has also been built on the north side of Finch. At Sentinel, not much visible progress has been made, although more tracks have been installed in this section. The bike lane has also started to be built, although it still needs to be paved. Progress tapers off a little bit toward Romfield Lane, but tracks have been installed all the way over to the eastern tunnel portal. At the eastern tunnel portal, the line track was installed a few weeks ago and concrete has likely just been poured, but it is being covered by the tarps. Except for a short section, tracks have also been installed from Sentinel to the portal as well. Similar to Humber College Station, the new entrance building at Finch West Station has been built quickly, but it's not as far along as Humber College. The main structure of the station looks to be finished, and I would expect the entrance to be largely complete by the end of the summer. The Finch West LRT has been progressing very quickly, and while it could very likely open in October or November of 2023, I wouldn't be too surprised if it opened in early spring of 2024, since a couple spots do seem a little behind. Thanks for watching.